technology today, the big demand in education by Department of Education has been the curriculum to look at coding and provide coding standards for schools, which is very important in the development of our children. Therefore, our partnership is with Shape Robotics. Shape Robotics have a product which is very attractive and is fun to play with. The robot is easy to program and develops their coding skills. The robots communicate back to a laptop using a Bluetooth hub. The hub is then linked to the software, which is called Fable Blockly. Blockly is a object-based programming language, so it's very easy to bring in modules. At the same time, there is a Python window, a command line, and as you add each element in, you can see the code actually being dropped into the Python list. So children will then learn from the objects that they use and the parameters, they will see it actively change. So hence, that's where the education tool becomes very apparent. The robots, that's the learning technology. The actual flip integration has come with the Fable Blockly software, which is now loaded as an app at the actual Samsung device. You don't need a laptop, you just need to have the Samsung Flip. Flip will load the app, and then using a hub that's plugged into the Flip, you can then program your robot. It's an integrated solution, and it's easily operated. We're trying to make the teacher's life easier, simpler, whereas by using older standards and technologies, you're having piecemeal components which the teacher has got to master. This way, I think it's a simple solution and very easy to operate. We met Shape Robotics at a Samsung Tizen Developers Conference. My wife, who's a retired head teacher, was very taken by the robots, and we saw immediately the potential. The manufacturer is based in Denmark, but has production facility in Romania. And they've won a substantial contract with the Romanian government for delivery of these educational tools. Samsung Bulgaria introduced them and said they'd produced a wonderful figure of sale where they'd only be selling a limited amount of product, and then suddenly had produced an order of 500 units. So there's a significant interest from our part and Samsung's part to actually move more equipment. So we've now become the UK distributor for Shape Robotics, and we are actively looking for partners, reseller partners. So we're trying to bridge our gap between being a traditional reseller and now being a fully fledged distributor. We've been involved in a lot of interactive technologies over the years. We started off with other companies like UTouch, producing interactive solutions. We've then taken that further in our workplace solutions now. We've been installing lots of interactive touch technology. But it's now about the integration, full integration, and I think this is a perfect example where Shape Robotics are now an integrated solution with the Samsung product. Our background on other touch has led us into luxury retail, mainstream retail, fashion retail. So we've positioned touchscreens with people like Adidas. We've done that on a global basis, and we've also done this with Louis Vuitton many years ago with a Samsung Surface product. It's technology. That's where we live. Bring new technology to the market, and we'll try and deliver.